Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can run code in terminal in VS Code. I mean in Visual Studio Code, how to run anything in terminal. So for this you have to go to the settings. Over here you can see settings, or you can go through file and then preference and then settings. So then you have to go to the extension. Here you can see extension and then go for run code configuration. So this one, run code configuration, and then go a little bit down and check it, run in the terminal. So you just have to check it. Okay, that's it. Now go here, go back, open a folder. So I'm going to add this folder, and here I'm going to create a JavaScript file. Let's say, so I'll say here test.js, and in index.html I am going to actually import it. So I'll say script. Here I'm going to give the source test.js, js, and here I'm going to say source test.js. all right, so we'll go here and now let's say I want to run anything here. So I will say, let's say let x is equal to 20, let y is equal to 30. I'll say console.log. I'm going to say x plus y. So now if I run it, here you can see it's showing in terminal, but here you can see the term node is not recognized. Why? Because we haven't actually set the JavaScript for Visual Studio Code. Now here you can see we are in terminal, but here actually I haven't installed Node.js for JavaScript. Okay, so that is the reason actually it's showing error, but we can actually open it in terminal, right? So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.